As you can see, it's quite a powerful bit of kit. We are on a day off today. The pest interceptors are having a day off. As you can see, no logo today. But look at this. I come down my garden shed where we keep a load of our bee equipment and stuff. And I've been noticing this little hole keeps reappearing and reappearing. And I thought perhaps we got some little mice in here, in this little hole here. But then I've looked today and I've thought, well, that's no mouse hole. Look at the size of that. So it just goes to show that even the pest interceptors get pest problems from time to time. I swear we get one rat comes back here every single year. It's obviously not the same rat, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this trail cam here to make sure that it is rats, and then I'm going to come up with a little plan, and I think the plan is going to be a big bad rat trap.
Black cat rat trap.
Boom! Black cat rat trap is what it's going to be. Boom! So let's see what we find on the trail cam tomorrow, eh? Come on, I've had enough of work on a day off. You've just seen that I was right. It is a big old rat. Did you see the length of the whiskers on it? The whiskers was nearly the length of the body of the rat. But that's what's living in this hole. And that's what's been coming here and having a little dig down there. Perhaps that hole just fills back up every time. I can't make my mind up. But that's its main way in and way out. What we're going to be doing now is I'm going to be setting some of these black cat rat traps. These are absolutely fantastic, and if you'd like to see in more detail how we bait these up, how we get, what baits we use and things like that, there's a little video right at the end of this, so just stay tuned, watch the video on the end and it'll show you how to set these absolutely groundbreaking rat traps. We love them, the black cat rat trap, but they must be set properly and you must know what you're doing. So watch that little video. Let's get some of these down then. So that's one set. And I think I'm going to put this rick right on there, because we're going to put some trail cams down as well, and we'll see the reaction of the rats, and I dare say you'll see how clever the rats are and how suspicious they are. But they love licorice all sorts, and they love oats. Now, I'm going to put this one, I'm going to put this one here, Rick. Right, I'll put that one there. Make sure they're nice and not rocking around. So if anything rocks, the rats will think, oh, what's that all about?
You've always got to be wary as well of those catches on the back if it ain't being restricted by anything. That
little catch there mustn't be restricted because, well, you'll have to watch the video that's at the end of this and it'll explain all about that little catch and why you can't cover it up. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to use some oats, some rolled oats. We'll put some actually down by the hole, and what it'll do, it'll start picking up these free offerings and it'll get more and more tempted. We'll put some down in that little hole there as well, because we know it goes there. I think it probably comes along here, and wherever it goes, it's going to find these oats, and then it's going to hopefully find our black cat rat traps. Keep watching, because we're going to put the video of the rat going up to the traps. Will we catch it? Won't we catch it? I think we will catch it. Let's see if we finally got Mr. Rat. Oh, nice one. Nice one. I've had to do, it's taken 4 days, I believe, to catch this one rat. But it's been a clever rat. And what I did yesterday, it had been chewing away at these licorice all sorts, but it was doing everything apart from having the one on the actual trap. So what I did, it had started nibbling away at the licorice all sort. What I did is I put that licorice all sort that was on the spike, I took it off and I balanced it on top of the same coloured one underneath. So when it's come up to that one, it's just dropped off the hook and it's like, oh, there's no catch here. But guess what? There was a catch, Mr. Rat. And that is the last licorice allsort this little rat will have had. What I'm going to have to do though is rebait it, reset it, just in case there's more of these. And in fact, looking at this one, it's no monster. Do you know what I mean? So Mummy and Daddy are probably around. So we'll get rid of this one and I'll rebait these and we'll see what we get tomorrow.